Hi, I'm Justin Wood with Ursa Farmers Lewis Hybrids. I'm here to talk to you about some things. First of all, on corn. So this past week has really been one that we've seen it the most. Some of the corn has had some issues with some pollination. Seen it all the way across the board, and many different areas and many different hybrids and in many different fields. But so early on, we kind of found out that this corn, as we'd pull the shucks back and look at it, it would kind of be spotty in a few places where the corn obviously didn't pollinate. Well, then when the corn kept on going and got bigger and got to about R4, you could really start to see how things were going. And yeah, so on the ear, it would actually just be real spotty. Anyway, so reasons for this happening, if you were to see this in your field, is in some cases, if your roots are pretty compacted and they're really restricted and kind of stuck in a ball, or they're just kind of pancaked in the soil layer, that's one reason, because that is restricting the roots from pulling up all nutrients and stuff like nitrogen and all your NP and K, all that stuff. It's holding that up and keeping the corn from being able to pollinate well. Also, it's keeping it from pulling up some water and stuff like that. And the other thing that I actually got an email about, and I didn't personally know this myself, but got an email and it said that it's also caused by it was about mid-July when corn really started to pollinate and tassel and stuff. The heat kept the tassels from popping out. It was really slowed them down. Well, then as soon as the tassels went ahead and popped out and started pollinating, well, in the week after that we got real cool nights. Well, those cool nights kept the silks from being able to take in the pollen and let the corn pollinate. So that's kind of all the things that add up to some of the pollination issues that have been going on. I guess there's really not a whole lot we can really do about it. Just pray for some rain and allow those roots to get down, and maybe, I don't know, help it out the best way it can that way. But next, I'd like to kind of say on beans is they're getting close to the stage where they're starting to get pods closer to the top, which means it's kind of time for some fungicides for them. So I just kind of want to let you know that it's getting close to that time. So if anybody wants to be doing that, like I said, the pods need to be pretty close to the top of the plant. That's how you know if they're ready for that. So, and finally, this is my last video. Last time doing this. I'll be done on Friday. Scouting and everything else that I've done. So it's been a good experience for me, and I guess hope I was beneficial for all you farmers and stuff that I've scouted for, and hope I helped things out. So anyways, thanks.